Okay, so today we will discuss this example. So find the second derivative of the function below. So this is an implicit function, and we need to get the derivative of the left side and get the derivative of the right side. So we have here 3x squared minus 5xy minus 2y squared is equals to getting the derivative of 0. So getting the derivative of this is, that's 3 times 2, 6x minus 5xy prime plus 5y. So this is the derivative of 5xy. And then minus 2 times 2, 4y, y prime. So as I've said in the earlier discussion, if you are going to differentiate with variable y, then you have a y prime or a dy dx. And derivative of constant is 0. So here, we are going to factor out or to combine like variables. So we combine the terms which has y prime. And so we have y prime multiplied by negative 5x minus 4y, and then plus 6y minus 5y. So we distribute the negative sign here. That is why this is already a minus. And so we get our y prime as transposing all these terms to the right and dividing that all over with negative 5x minus 4y. So we have our y prime as 5y minus 6x all over negative 5x minus 4y. So we can also write this by getting a negative 1. Iwalay yung negative 1. And so we have a 6x minus 5y all over negative all over 5x plus 4y. So, here, ang ginawa dito is yung negative. Ayan, dito sa baba. Ayan, naging positive ito. So, such that, ayan. So, if you multiply that one, it will become negative 5x and negative 4y. So, since you have a negative 1 there, so, you just multiply again this negative doon sa numerator, and so we come up with this. And so, we have 6x minus 5y, right? All over 5x plus 4. So, how do we get the second derivative? And the second derivative, we have a quotient. So we will apply the quotient rule. So we get first the denominator multiplied by the derivative of the numerator, which is 6x minus 5y, and then minus numerator times derivative of the denominator all over squared of the denominator. So we perform the function, and we perform the operation. So we get the derivative of 6x minus 5y, and that is 6x minus 5y prime. And then we get the derivative of the denominator, 5x plus 4y. So the derivative of that is 5 plus 4y prime. And so, since we have y prime here, so we substitute the previous expressions that we have get. So, sinubstitute natin to. Ang y prime natin is 6x minus 5y over 5x plus 4y. And so, we have this expression. So, 5x plus 4y multiplied by 6 minus 5. And the y prime here is, eto yan. Y prime here is this. Alright. So, next. So, here, right, in the next solution, so what we did, what was done here is that before we come up to this, so let us see first this side, that side. So what we did is 5x plus 4y multiplied by 6. This expression here, these terms here, these terms here, 6 minus 5 times 6x minus 5 all over 5x plus 4y, we can get here the least common denominator. So, if we have 5x plus 4y, we combine that two terms, 5x plus 4y, we will have here 6 times 5x plus 4y minus 5 times 6x minus 5y. Right? Such that, kung ito ay ihiwalay natin, so ang mangyayari dyan is magiging 6 lang siya. If ito ihiwalay natin, yan, since this common denominator, magiging ganito din yung itsura niya. Alright? So, dito naman, sa kabilang side, itong side na to, yan, this side, this, yan. So, we have a minus. So, we rewrite that one, 6x minus 5y multiplied by, again, we get the least common denominator, and so we have a 5x plus 4y. And then this will become 5 times 5x plus 4y minus 4 times 6x minus 5y. Alright? So, after this, ayan, after this, what happened? So, bakit siya naging ganito? So, what we did is, itong 5x plus 4y, yan, itong 5x plus 4y na dalawa, since parehas siyang merong 5x plus 4y, tapos 5x plus 4y dito sa both terms, yan. Then, binaba natin siya, yung 5x plus 4y, so that, ang nangyari is naging 5x plus 4y cube na dito. So, it's like 1 over 2 over 2. So, that is the same with 1 over 2 times 2. So, halimbawa, ito yung 5x plus 4y natin. Yan. On this side, ito din yung 5x plus 4y on this side. So, since pareha silang may 5x plus 4y, pwedeng pag-combinein. So, mahaba kasi kapag sinulat ko pa lahat. So, yan. Pwedeng pag-combinein siya. So, and then, what remains is naging 5x plus 4y cube ito. Because, meron madagdag dito sa baba na 5x plus 4y. So, multiply mo yan, so that will become cube. Right. So, binaba natin yung 5x plus 4y, and so, we have a sagot dito na distribute natin yung 5x plus 4y dito, and 5x plus 4y doon. And that is why ito ay naging 6 times 5x plus 4y squared minus 5 times 6x minus 5y times 5x plus 4y. And then, dito sa expression na to, which is ito yan. Dinistribute natin ito, and ito din. So, that is why that is 5 times 6x minus 5y times 5x plus 4y plus 4 times 6x minus 5y squared. Okay? So, we can simplify. So, as you can see, itong terms na ito, yan, we can combine these terms. And so, we have a 10 times 6x minus 5y times quantity 5x plus 4y. So, we copy this, copy that, copy this. Alright. So, what we did, ano ang ginawa naman next? Bakit naging x na lang dito? We assume variable. So, here, inassume natin na yung x, expression na x dito is the 5x plus 4y. And yung y dito, and ang y natin is inassume natin na 6x minus 5y. Sorry. Yan. 6x minus 5y. So, ang gagawin natin is yung may 5x plus 4y, gawin lang natin siyang x. And yung 6x minus 5y, gawin lang natin siyang y. So, kaya naging 6 times x squared dito, minus 10 times y times x plus 4y squared, all over, this one is x cubed. So, we can simplify this term, so that naging 2 times, we factor out 2, naging 2 times 3x squared minus 5xy plus 2y squared, quantity, all over x cubed. Alright, so what's next? We factor out again. So, this 3x squared minus 2y times 2x minus 2y is a factor of 3x squared minus 5xy plus 2y squared. So, let us see. So, 3 times 2. Ayan, here. So, 3 times 2, that is 6x. That's correct. And 2 times 2y times 2x. So, 6x squared minus 4xy. And then we have, say this one. We have minus 6xy and then plus last 4y squared. So, it could be, the factor of this could be this one or this one. Okay? So, what's next? Then, we use this factor. Yan. Dami ng sulat, no? We use that factor. We use this one. So, our answer, final answer is following this simplified form. And then we substitute. Kasi inassume natin na ang x at y, ang 5x plus 4y ay x at ang y ay 6x minus 5. So, substitute again itong mga values na to. Substitute values or functions. So, ang x ay 5x plus 4y. So, that is y. That is 3 times 5x plus 4y. Minus 2y. So, that's minus 2 times ang y is 6x minus 5y. Multiplied by 2 times x is again 5x plus 4y. Minus 2y. So, that is minus 2 times 6x minus 5y all over 5x plus 4y cubed. And this is now the second derivative of the given function above. Okay, so that's all.